take a walk around the back. There's Rick's truck there. Again, here's the house. I have no clue where Rick went. Some kind of shed or something there. Very soft dirt around here. Looks like a kitchen or something, but I only see a stove. Maybe it's the outside of the... I don't know. What do you think? Trying to see around here is not easy. Back of the house. Can't really make out a lot. Looks like a fridge. Hope nothing slides down into the house. Ooh.